Here we are in some type of shopping center here in Santa Ana or Costa Mesa. Let's go with the 2. This complex is kind of interesting. Basic elevator. I like the wood. Low light. It's kind of rattle. Ooh. Series 1. I think it's gonna run too good. Here we are in the elevator in the same shopping center. That's where the OTIS is. Here in Santa Ana, California. This is a tiny elevator. 1,500 pounds. Very interesting company. Here are 2. These are Epco buttons. This is the tiniest elevator I ever seen. Got a good angle on it though. Epco buttons, here's your phone. Coast elevator. And that's it.